fresh or dried? Which would you prefer? To eat or to cook with? Most of us prefer to use the fresh herbs in our food because they have a better and stronger taste. The reason for this is, when herbs are dried, the substances which give them their taste are lost. And once gone, they are gone. You cannot get them back. This helps us understand why fresh herbs look, smell, and also taste better. The same thing happens when you dry medicinal herbs. For example, these fresh echinacea plants will give us almost 3 times more of a compound called acrylamides compared to these dried echinacea. These are some of the substances which make echinacea work. Many other medicinal plants are also affected in the same way when dried. This is the reason why Vogel used plants immediately after harvesting when making his fresh herb tinctures. He said, fresh herbs have a wider and deeper action in the body. Today, we still insist on using fresh herbs whenever possible. So, fresh or dried? Science and experience give me the same answer, and I know which one I prefer.